In a quiet village, a hardworking farmer and his loyal dog planted trees together with hope. Day by day, the empty land transformed into a beautiful blooming garden. But one night, a powerful storm destroyed everything they had built. Heartbroken, the farmer sat alone, feeling lost and hopeless. Seeing his sorrow, a kind parrot flew down to help him. The farmer shared his pain and told the parrot about his loss. Determined to help, the parrot flew to a generous village merchant. Touched by the story, the merchant gave seeds and tools to help the farmer. The parrot returned and the farmer received the gift with joy and gratitude. With hope restored, the farmer rebuilt his garden. Looking for your like and subscribe.